Now on our Cardano to our USD, we will actually be seeing it now. We can see we are actually on a fall. That is on our daily time frame. We are actually having a fall, by the way. On the long term, we can see our price is now currently below our 10 period moving average. This red line is our 10 period, the green is our 20 period. So we are actually on our 10 period moving average. First of all, before we would want to be taking another trade, let us hit this our liquidity area here, which is about 0.421. We are currently trading at 0.4458, or no, let us say 0.44. So we would want to hit this our liquidity area here, as we can see on the daily time frame. When our price was about on the 18th of June, where our price hits this our liquidity area, our lowest point for the year, for this year, which is about 0.42. So we would want to see a fall to hit our 0.42, then a pullback and a continuous bearish move that way. So like I said, we will be breaking below this our previous liquidity area here. We would be breaking below it. So on the downward um, up, if you have to look at the long term, you will see that we are actually on a bearish move. So another reason why we should aim to hit this our liquidity area is that this place too has also given us a liquidity area. We can see the liquidity area, our price pushes up. It came here again to test this our area here. So first of all, before you decide to take any trade, sell your Cardano to our USDT before we can now aim to go bullish again. Possibly if you can go bullish to about our 0.50. If possibly we see that bullish move, we don't know how the price will react, but if possibly we see that bullish move, then again we will be seeing another fall on our Cardano to our USD. So that is exactly what will possibly be seeing: a fall on our Cardano, then a bullish move as a retracement, and again a fall on our Cardano USDT. So that is the analysis. If you find this video helpful, do not forget to subscribe, like, and also share this video. Thank you.